A banging noise from your dryer can be frustrating, but there are several reasons why this might be happening, along with some straightforward solutions. The noise could be caused by a faulty drive belt, a damaged drum seal, or worn-out drum rollers. To fix these issues, start by accessing and replacing the drive belt. Unplug the dryer. Disassemble the back panel. Detach the belt from the drum pulley and motor spindle, and check for any damage. If the belt is damaged, purchase a new one and fit it back onto the drum pulley. Similarly, to replace the drum seal, locate the dryer cabinet, open it according to the manual, and assess the seal for any damage. If damage is found, replace it. As for the drum rollers, over time, they can become flattened or worn out, especially if the dryer is not used regularly or is used excessively. In this case, it's best to contact a professional to replace any damaged rollers. By addressing these potential causes, you should be able to eliminate the banging noise and get your dryer working smoothly again.